war between iPhone and Android might finally be cooling off because Apple and Google are teaming up to make switching sides easier than ever. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. In a shocking twist for tech lovers, Apple's quietly breaking down the walls of its walled garden. The company is testing a new tool called AppMigrationKit, designed to make it seamless to transfer your data. Yes, even app data between iOS and Android. Currently in beta with iOS 26.1 and iPadOS 26.1. The framework is Apple's biggest step yet towards cross-platform freedom. For years, switching phones meant losing things like app progress, save preferences, and local files. Now that pain might finally be over. According to Apple's developer documentation, AppMigrationKit isn't even meant for Apple-to-Apple transfers. It's specifically built to work with non-Apple platforms like Android. That means iPhone users will soon be able to export their data straight to a Google-powered device, and Android users can finally send their info the other way. Developers can use the tool to export or import app data, making sure that when users move to a new phone, everything from game saves to personal settings makes the journey too. Once migration finishes, the app can even automatically pull cloud data for a full restore. And Apple's not alone. Google is prepping its own transfer to iPhone feature in Android 16, marking equal efforts. So whether you're Team Android or Team iPhone, the phone rivalry might live on, but switching sides is about to get a whole lot smoother. So, were you waiting for a switch? Now's the time. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.